car park, and we're facing block 70. So the entry point is somewhere at the end there on the southern part. So we're walking around. It's all cemetery ground. So there is a royal tomb, I think, covered in yellow. So this is what they call Kopo Boyan. I think it's a mixture of other ethnicity of Bugis and Malays. Some of the trees actually all grown cemetery.